We got some fidget spinner over here. Bring them. Later. I can do it. Oh no, I can. That's the first fidget spinner. Let's try it. It's awesome. Where's the second fidget spinner? Going. Okay. Oh, this is magic one. I put them out here because he is speed and he we put it. Next fidget spinner. Coming goes up. Yes. Ow! Even. Where is the next one? Here. Oh, that's this one. Very fast, very fast. Too fast. Fast. Let's stop. The next one. Oh, that's the fastest one, I think. Shall we go try? Ah! Ouch! Oh, stupid fidget spinner. No, it's not stupid. The last one is coming. Yeah. This thing off. It's not one. Thanks guys for watching and please like and subscribe.